Welcome to Tami's Maths. It is 10th standard NCERT and it's a chapter which we are discussing. What's the chapter we are discussing? Pair of equations, solving pair of equations. It is 3.1 exercise problem 4. Which of the following are consistent or it is inconsistent? If consistent, solve graphically. We saw consistent and inconsistent. Consistent means it will have a solution. Inconsistent means it will not have a solution. Consistent means it can have a unique solution. Consistent means it can have infinite number of solutions. Geometrically it means it is having a unique solution, means there will be two lines which intersect. It is having many solutions, means it is consistent with infinite number of solutions, there will be overlapping lines. And it is inconsistent, means they will be parallel. All the theory regarding this I have already taught you. I am doing things in depth and I am doing little by little so that it will be easy for you to digest and it will be very easy for you to like it, work it and remember it always. Let's see problem 1. We are going to see if it's consistent. X plus y minus 5 is 0, 2x plus 2y minus 10 is 0, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So this is half is equal to half is equal to half. That means it is consistent. But with what? With many number of solutions. It is consistent with many number of solutions. So you can say it is consistent with many number of solutions. If you draw the graph of this, they will overlap each other. Fine. Now you can just say the answer. It is consistent with many number of solutions. Writing this. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. And you can say if you draw the graph of this, they will be overlapping each other. Or you can say y is equal to 5 minus x. So this is how y should be. For any x, it will satisfy. It depends. I hope you understand. Next we go for. Next. Problem 2. X minus y is 8. And 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and it is not equal to C1 by C2. That's how. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and it is not equal to C1 by C2 means they will be parallel lines. So it is inconsistent. If you draw the graph, it will be parallel. It is inconsistent. Okay? That is problem 2. Next we go for problem 3. X minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. We will see this. A1 by A2, B1 by B2. They are not equal now. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So it will have a unique solution. It is consistent with unique solution. So we have to draw the graph of this. It is, so what will be your answer to this question? It is consistent with unique solution. He says draw the graph of this and solve it. So we will see. Two x plus y minus 6 is 0. Very few minutes, both will be completed. Put x 0. When x is 0, y is 6. When y is 0, 2x is 6, x is 3. So let us draw 0, 6. 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 6, 0. Y is 0. Y is 0, sorry. Y is 0, x is 3. Y is 0, x will be 3, we will see. Okay? 3x is 3, 3, 0 will be here. Draw this. So this is the line 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Fine? Next we have, so when x is 0, y is 6, and when x is 3, y is 0. So this is line 1. Line 2. Line 2. Four x minus 2y minus 4 is 0. When x is 0, minus 2y is equal to 4. So y is equal to minus 2. Next, when y is 0, 4x is 4, x is 1. So 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. 1, 0. 1, 0 will be here. So what is this line? 4x minus 2y minus 4. It will intersect here. So this point is 2, 2. The answer for this is 2, 2. Substitute 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So the last question, just a minute for the last question. So this is the graph. Will you please practice it? Now the last question. Two x minus 2y minus 2 is 0. 4x minus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. A1 by A2, 2 by 4. B1 by B2, minus 2 by minus 4. C1 by C2. So what is this? 1 by 2. What is this? 1 by 2. But this is not equal to. This is not equal to 2 by 8, no, it's not equal to 1 by 4. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, but that's not equal to C1 by C2. So they will be parallel lines. The last question, they will be parallel lines, so they are inconsistent, they don't have a solution. So this is 3.1 exercise problem for all the subdivisions I have done. So we will meet in the next video with more questions. Till then, please practice it, and when you draw the graph, see that you mark the point evenly. It's a rough graph only, but even then you mark the point evenly so that your point of intersection will be accurate.